Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy data from one workbook to another workbook using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you will understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to copy this data and then create a new workbook and paste it there. Right? So I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case, you need to include the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. Now first of all, what I will do is I will copy this, paste it here. Then I'll put dot application to create an Excel object. So I'll say Excel app equals to new, paste it again, dot application, bracket, and then semicolon. Then I will use this object to set the visible property to true. After this, I will create an object of the workbook. Excel app dot workbooks dot open, semicolon. Here I will specify the file path. I have specified the file path. Here I will put @ so that the compiler can consider it as a string literal. Now I will create an object of the worksheet. Now I will do the typecasting. With that, I will copy this, paste it here, dot worksheet. Then I will use workbook dot sheets. In the square bracket, I will specify the sheet index, semicolon. Now what I will do is I will use this worksheet object to copy the data from the sheet. I will say ws.usedRange.copy. We are using used range to select all the data from the worksheet, and then we are using this copy function to copy the entire data from the worksheet. After copying the data, what we are going to do is we will create an object of the workbook again. So that will be a new workbook where we want to paste the data. So here I will say workbook 1, that is the name of the object, and here I will say workbooks.add. So this add function will create a new workbook. In the next line, what I will do is I will just copy it, paste it here, and here I will give the sheet name as ws1, and here I will use the object of workbook 1, right? So this is the new workbook where we want to paste the data, right? So the sheet 1 has been selected. Now what I'll do is I'll use ws1.range. Here I will specify the cell which is A1, right? Dot, then I will use the function which is paste special. After that, I will say Microsoft.Office.interop.excel, and then Excel paste type dot Excel paste all, and then I'll put a semicolon. After this, what I will do is I will use this worksheet 1 dot used range dot columns dot autofit, right? After pasting the data, we want to do the autofit of the columns. Now I will click on save and then I will run the bot. The file has been copied and then a new workbook has been created, and here you notice that we have pasted data in the workbook 1, and as you can see all the columns are in the autofit state. And if you notice here that we have this circle around the data, which means the data was copied from here, right? So this is how you can copy data from one workbook and paste it into another workbook using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.